Okay, I'm back with another delayed W, man. This was a sneaker that I figured if I wait and I was patient, I'll be able to cop for retail or below. So shout out to Finish Line for this random restock. And I was able to use $20 off. So I got these for $20 under retail. Nothing too crazy, but you know, whenever you can save $1, man, it's always good. As you can see the box, you know what I'm saying, the midnight navies. I believe that sneakers, they restocked these two the other day, and I think they're still sitting. So hopefully by the time this video comes out, they'll still be available. So if you want them, you can go ahead and cop. I won't lie to you, these are definitely clean in hand. Hopefully that's in the camera, you know what I'm saying. These are clean in hand. I'm gonna get a close up real quick so you can see that white tumble leather. Definitely soft. And you got that midnight navy with those hits and accents with that Jumpman Air on the back, or the Jordan Air, whatever you want to call it. This is the first time we've seen this shoe since 2000, I believe. What was that, 22 years since this shoe dropped? It's kind of crazy that they just hold on to certain colorways and drop like random stuff. Like these could have dropped, what, 2013, 2014, but they waited 22 years. And then they made so many of them that they're just sitting everywhere, which I'm not mad about. But every time I went to the mall to go cop these and see if they were in stores, nobody had them. Like, I seen people walking around with bags, but when I go in the store, they're gone. Like, oh dang, I'm over here about to knock the shoe over. But yeah, I copped these for the Yankees and the Titans. I was gonna sit this one out for the Georgetown, since I could do the same thing, you know, with both colorways. But I'm glad that I was able to cop these for below retail, and I still wanted to add the Georgetowns. You know, it's a gray and blue version. So the only difference is the upper on the Georgetown is gray and it's suede opposed to the white. But hey, man, it's a clean shoe, man. Hopefully y'all cop these, you know, if you want them. And if you missed out on the initial release, hopefully y'all can go ahead and get the restock. I don't want to make this too long since the shoe's been out for, what, 3 months now or something like that? 2 months? Whatever it is. It's been out for a minute. So I don't want to do a crazy detailed review because y'all done seen it 1,000 times. I just want y'all to get my honest reaction on this this pickup. So cop and pickup, cop up, is that a new thing? Let me know down in the comments. But yeah, hopefully the lighting is cool because I broke my other light that I usually use on the camera. So now I'm trying to, you know, use different methods of lighting. So let me know down in the comments how the lighting looks. It looks, I mean, from what I can see on camera, it looks pretty decent. I'm not sure, you know, this white shirt and these white shoes might be too bright. I don't know, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this joint. Catch y'all the next